Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika, and today, I don't know if you remember that I was doing a series about workbooks and resource for lettering beginners, resources, sorry. So this is the continuation of the series, and this time is the super simple hand lettering by Kylie Bennett. So it's a very super simple book. It has lots of alphabets for you to trace. I'm gonna show you like a flip through of the whole book. It has artworks for you to hang if you want. It has tracing paper, so it's very complete and well done. I like the fact that the sheets do not ghost. So let's check it out more in depth, but I really recommend this book, and it's not expensive or anything like that. It's not crazy. You can find it on Amazon. That's at least where I found mine, and I've been enjoying doing this. The drills, the first drills that she shows in here, I am not like, you know, the most fan of these type of drills, but they are cool. It's just that they seem very done like in a rush, but yeah, they will warm up your hand anyway. So explains fake calligraphy and how to hold the pen, types of materials that you could be using. It has examples of lettering projects for you to see. Okay, I got a new skill, what do I do with it? So it also has examples for that. So overall, it's a very lovely book. I am writing on it. I love to write on my books. The only book that I haven't touched is the botanical lettering book, because I just can't. It's too cute. But this one, yes, I'm writing on it, and with the tracing sheets that come in there. This is some of the tracing that I did with the tracing sheet that is in the back of the book. So overall, I give it like 8 out of 10. Kind of thing. 8.5, okay, because it has a huge variety of alphabet for you to try. I wish it had more like blank pages to practice, but that's a minor thing. So yeah, this is affordable, it's cute, it's well done. The pages are very soft, so they won't be fraying your markers, and they won't ghost like other books that I have here. The first book that I recommended in this series ghosts a lot, so I like the quality of this paper better. So now I'm gonna be doing some of the tracing and showing you the rest of the pages. That was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I tried to keep it simple and short. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. That helps this channel a lot. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you on the next one next week.